Good morning. Here we will discuss male reproductive unit. You know, in plant, male unit is called androecium. Androecium. It is a group of stamen. This is the structure of stamen. This is anther and this is filament. Anther is bilobed structure. Bi means two. This is the first lobe and this is the second lobe, and each lobe divided by a membranous layer named septum. This is septum. When we cut TS of this anther, we see tetragonal or four-sided structure of anther. This is four-sided structure. This is first side, second side, third side and fourth side. Each sides are called microsporangia. Each sides are called microsporangia. It means in each lobe it contain two microsporangia. This is first microsporangia, this is second microsporangia. It means each lobe contain two microsporangia, and in two lobes there are four microsporangia are found. Each microsporangia develop into pollen sac. Pollen sac. This is also pollen sac, pollen sac, pollen sac and pollen sac. And in this pollen sac, pollen grains are arise. Here we discuss detailed structure of TS of anther. You see in the diagram, this is double membrane bound structure in outer side, and inner side a middle layer is also found. Upper layer is epidermis. Below the epidermis endothecium is found, and below the endothecium this structure is known as middle layer. This is tapetum, which contain nucleus and cytoplasm, and inside the tapetum sporogenous cells are found which produce after meiosis gametes or male gametes. You see in this diagram, this is tetragonal, means four-sided structure, and each lobe is microsporangia. Each lobe is microsporangia. This is also microsporangia, 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 and microsporangia. In the time of production of male gamete, these microsporangia develop into pollen sac. In pollen sac, formation of pollen grains are occurred. Now you see detailed structure. This is epidermis. It is thin and single cell structure. Below the epidermis, this is endothecium. It is made up by thick cell, and below the endothecium, three cells structures are found, which is known as middle layer. यहाँ आपको समझना होगा सिंगल सेल, डबल सेल और ट्रिपल सेल्स लेयर्ड स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में। जैसे मान लीजिए ये मैंने एक स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर दिया, तो ये सिंगल सेल हो गया, सिंगल सेल लेयर। अगर यहाँ पे सेल्स का अरेंजमेंट लेयर बाय लेयर हो तो ये डबल लेयर्ड स्ट्रक्चर। अगर सेल्स का अरेंजमेंट ट्रिपल लेयर में हो तो ये ट्रिपल लेयर्ड स्ट्रक्चर। सो दिस इज थिन सिंगल सेल स्ट्रक्चर, single cell layer. This is also single cell layer structure, but cell become thick, not thin. This is also thick layer structure which is made up by three layered of cells, and this is tapetum which contains nucleus and cytoplasm, and this portion is microspore mother cell where the male gametes are generated after meiosis.